demo about the about to be released Jobflows solution for Monday.com. Basically, here are the main features. We have the careers page. We enable you to build your own external website to host all of your jobs and embed them on your website. The second one is the ability to post jobs directly from Monday.com boards to LinkedIn and Indeed and Glassdoor. Get the jobs posted over there, and then once someone is applying on this website, it goes directly to your Monday.com boards, and then basically you can collaborate, communicate with other team members through the hiring pipeline. And the last one, of course, is the dashboards that you are getting all of the hiring data consolidated. And of course, all of this on top of Monday.com, so you can collaborate with your team members from other teams, other departments. So the first thing is the open positions board. Basically, you can see that we created new jobs and an item view for editing and creating a job description. You can see which department it is, which location, how many openings, when is the open rate, and is this job open, meaning published or not. Once it is published, you're getting your own website that you can embed on your website with all of the jobs. Each company can customize their colors and the logo of this website. So you can see here that I changed the color and now I'm refreshing and the color is changed. Yeah. So yeah, here's the job. You can see the job description. You can share it on social. You can apply for a job. Basically, we open a form. For each job, we automatically create a board, and the applicant can fill his details and submit their application. And this goes upload the CV. And you can see that we created a Chief Product Officer board. And all of the applications are going to this board. So you can assign a hiring manager. You can see the CV, all the details that the applicant submitted, and you can start moving it through the hiring pipeline. And of course, for each stage, you can assign a person. You can use the updates to discuss with the hiring manager or other people on your company about this candidate. You can set up a meeting, an interview, and put the details about interview here and discuss it. So all the updates about this applicant are accumulated on one item that anyone that is part of this hiring workflow can see. And later on, on a database of all of the applicants, you'll be able to see all of the data that you accumulated from this hiring workflow. Also, each company gets their own email. So any submission, any applicant basically sending or referring recruiter that is sending email to this email, we get it directly in the board. This is the candidate database where we're accumulating all of the information about applicants that we can use later. And this is the dashboard. Basically, that is tracking the performance of the hiring flow, the sources, how many people are in which stages, how much time it takes to